Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best telescopes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Celestron Nexstar 130. For an expansive view of the cosmos, this computerized telescope pic features a Newtonian reflector optical design with a 130mm aperture that lets you see the clouds around Jupiter and the surface of the Moon in great detail. This model also comes with a database that allows you to track 40,000 galaxies, stars, and more, is Wi-Fi compatible, and comes with interactive sky simulation software. Yet it's still compact enough to easily pack on family trips. The Celestron Nexstar 130 SLT is a computerized telescope that offers a database of more than 4,000 stars, galaxies, nebulae, and more. The telescope locates your object with pinpoint accuracy and tracks it. Moving on at number 4, we have Celestron Nexstar 8 SE computerized. The Nexstar series is well pedigreed in astronomical circles, and the distinctive orange tube is a common sight at star parties. The 8-inch aperture model is a personal favorite, striking a great balance between power, price, and convenience. Despite its larger size, the telescope is still portable thanks to its compact but complex design that replicates the optic performance of a longer telescope. It carries a slightly higher price tag, but it's more than worth it for the generous increase in light captured and the subsequent uptick in the quality of your observations. That the computerized pad and guidance have not changed much in the past decade is a sign of the high degree of reliability. At number 3, we have Orion Skyquest XT8, the granddaddy of the Starblast. The Skyquest is a telescope near and dear to my heart. Although it's more than twice the price of the Starblast, the 8-inch light collecting area is a massive shift upward in observation quality, unlocking much farther and fainter objects for the observer. The downsides are weight, it's about 40 pounds, and size, the tube alone is 46 inches, so this isn't a great telescope for carrying up a mountain or storing in a small apartment. For car camping, however, it does the job very well. Under a dark sky, the XT8 can reveal nebulae, Saturn's rings, the moons of several planets, pretty much anything you can and will want to point it at. Without an onboard computer, you will be handling the aiming and tracking, but don't panic. At number 2, we have Celestron PowerTank Lithium. Power cells have had something of a massive leap in the past decade. It boasts a 10-hour runtime with a far greater longevity, offering between 2 and 5 times as many charge drain cycles compared to the previous generation. That means you'll get a long life out of these cells. Luckily, it still has some red LEDs for when you inevitably drop something vital in the dark. Keep your telescopes, smartphones, tablets, GPS systems, cameras and other USB-powered devices charged and ready with PowerTank Lithium, the ideal outdoor portable charging solution. When the session is over, turn on the bright white LED flashlight to illuminate your sight and ensure no lens caps or eyepieces are left behind in the dark. When you're not observing, keep this battery charged and at the ready for unexpected emergencies. And finally at number 1, Celestron Eyepiece Kits. Eyepieces are like socket sets, you always need the one you don't have, so an eyepiece set like this is a huge value add to almost any telescope setup. Not only will it help keep your eyepieces clean and organized, it will add 5 different options to your viewing repertoire. The Barlow, the strange-looking non-eyepiece included in the set, is some extra juice for any eyepiece you attach it to, doubling the magnification. Throw in some colored planetary filters to emphasize fine details visible through larger telescopes and you can see why a set like this is such a great boost to the beginning astronomer. The Celestron 1.25 Telescope Eyepieces and Filter Accessory Kit is a great way to expand the functionality and enjoyment of your telescope. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.